Hello bear bull traders, this is PeterB and I want to share with you my trades today. I traded X, which was a stock from the pre-market session, and I traded it as an ABCD. It started to go up, then I waited till it touches this moving average, then went long, partialed at 1 hour, and then I got stopped. So this was not a bad trade, but nothing special. Then I started to look at the scanners in the room, which are always available for you. They look like this, and I watch on this new high bid or ask scanner, and then I start watching the stock which appears on the scanner. So I saw BABA, and I saw this pattern, so I thought that it would be a nice ABCD, so I took it long here, partialed at 1 hour, and then got stopped again. So second trade, same as the previous one, not much gain, but nothing to lose, right? But then I noticed that it's setting up for the famous parabolic reversal, which I learned from Ayman, and I thank him for that every day. What is it about? You see denial on this level, best if it is a round number like here, 226, and then a candle with a lower low is setting up. So I took it short with a stop loss of few cents. Usually I do it like the highest level reached, or this candle to become green. That would be my stop. Then I waited for the move. It was 4 minutes. Then I partialed at this moving average, because usually, or sometimes, not usually, but sometimes it bounces off and goes back up. But this was not the case, luckily for me, and I partialed all the way down from 225.36 to 224.17, so over $1 move. So this was a nice one. Let me show it on 1 minute chart. So it was going down, then a consolidation and a reverse ABCD, and it went all the way down. Here I partialed all the what was left, so I don't have to wait for the whole day for the trade. Then I traded Microsoft the same way. High volume, then a denial candle, but I missed this one. Normally I would enter here, but I was late in the trade. But usually if this happens, you can trade the same on the 1 minute chart or even on 2 minute chart as a 3-bar play. So after this doji there is a big red bar, then a narrow green bar. I set the stop loss at the 996.11, went short, partialed at 1 hour, which I usually do to be more confident in the trade, and then partialed all the way down. And when it was turning back up, I exited the rest. So caught like 50-cent move with a 7-cent stop loss, so a nice trade. The same I did with CRM. Let me scroll it. This is what I like most. If there are two candles, two dojis, and then just go down, and they are very at the very same level, so there is not much room to go up. So I set the stop loss very tight on the high of the wick of the previous candle, and went short and partialed all the way down. which made me like 8 or 10R trade, if we count it up to here. Then I wanted to do it again on Boeing, but this one stopped me because my stop was too tight, or maybe not too tight, but I set it to slightly above the round number, 196. I set it to 196.11, but I just got tagged precisely on my stop loss, and then it went a bit down. Anyway, this trade wouldn't work. I would partial at 1R and then would be stopped later. Anyway, it was a great day for me, 14R, and I really need to thank Amen for showing me this setup, because it looks like it really works every time. Hope you had all a great day today, and see you in the chat room.